Hi guys, Lucas here, and I'm excited to introduce a new video component to Trucks Parts Service, our weekly 1-minute roundup. This is a video that's going to come out every Friday and be available on the website, our YouTube page, and in our weekly newsletters that will give you a roundup of some of the top stories that hit the industry this week. Trailer dealer news, truck dealer news, aftermarket news, anything that impacts your business, you're going to get a quick snippet of it here. Our hope with these videos is when you're just too busy, in a week like this week with the short week and the holiday, happy 4th by the way, you're probably not going to keep up with everything. So we think this video will give you just that quick 30,000 foot, what did I miss in the industry? This week specifically, right to repair has been a big issue. 2 new bills hit Congress earlier this month, one in the House, one in the Senate. As you can expect, the aftermarket is pushing for more co-sponsors. They want to push that bill forward. CVSN was in DC last month. They were meeting with legislators. They were trying to get some more support. ATD came out against the bill this week. They sent a letter to Congress on Tuesday. They called the bill overbroad and unnecessary. They questioned the amount of technical access that need to be provided to the aftermarket and to the independent service channel. So that's an issue. Other things, we looked into credit card surcharges this week. Are they the right thing for your business? Should you charge or should you include in price? That's a decision you have to make, but we looked into the pros and cons. A couple of huge fire risks, one for International, one for Chevy. Those were in the recalls from NHTSA on Monday, so if you didn't see that and you support one of those brands, you want to check into that. Lastly, truck orders came out yesterday and they were bad. June was a 16-year low, worst June since 2009. Medium duty space wasn't much better. We're talking like 9,000 units. We usually average about 19 to 20,000 units right now. So really the truck sales problem continues. We're hoping that will turn around, but June numbers were not good. So have a great 4th of July. Sorry to end on that negative note, but we hope you come back. We hope you enjoy this and you check out the next 1-minute recap next week. Have a great 4th. Thanks, guys.